Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a 2016 Chevrolet Silverado regular cab, short bed, 5.3 V8, 6L80 transmission, two-wheel drive. So this is probably the most sought after platform for these trucks, the regular cab, short bed V8 two-wheel drives. This one has 80,670 miles on it, I think. And it is in outstanding condition. It's a two-owner truck. I am the second owner of the truck. See in the pictures here just how nice it is. It's all original paint on the truck. Never been in an accident. Clean title, of course. Truck has had a lot of recent maintenance done on it. New plugs, new wires, new air filter, new cabin air filter, all three serpentine belts, brand new interstate battery. It's just had an alignment put on it. It's just been inspected here in the state of Virginia. It's got a new transmission filter and pan gasket. I also installed what they call a Sure Cool transmission thermostat bypass, which allows the transmission to run at a much cooler temperature, which helps the longevity of these trucks. I've owned a number of them, and I do it to all of those that I own. This truck has a chrome package. It's got factory fog lamps. I did install a high country grill just because I like the way it looks. It's got 20-inch chrome plated LTZ wheels on it. As you can see, they are in what I would call flawless condition. It's got brand new or very new Continental tires on it. It's got backup camera, tonneau cover. I'll show you inside the bed in a minute. It's got a factory GM drop-in bedliner. It also has factory GM, I'm not sure how much you can see that, but factory GM wheel well liners in it. It's got rear window defrost. Power windows, power locks, keyless entry, cruise control, carpet, which is in flawless condition, GM accessory mats. Really, the inside of this truck is just as spectacular as the outside. I mean, it is, if you can see here in the video, it is as close to flawless on the inside of this truck as you're ever going to get on one of these. It's got factory towing package, your factory fog lamps. It's got touch screen, radio, Bluetooth. Not sure if you can see rear window defroster. Headliner looks great. It's got what they call a 60-40 split bench. You know, it's got a compartment in here. Lift it up. Got a leather wrapped steering wheel, factory leather steering wheel. It is an exceptional truck. It would be very hard to find one nicer paint. In the same way with the underside, I will provide a link in the comments to a link of probably 100 or more pictures of the truck, and that will include pictures of the underside, every angle of the truck that I can possibly show for you. Let's see. It's got the factory backup camera. drop in Chevrolet bedliner, roll up tonneau. The tonneau is nice. I put a tonneau on all my trucks. You just pull this little strap here and it unlatches on the side, and then you roll it up and strap it up near the bed so you don't lose any of your bed space. It's covered when you want it, and when you need the bed, it is it's the full bed is there for you. I'm not sure. It's very straight, very nice. Like I said, original paint on the truck. Show you chrome door handles, chrome mirror caps. It is according to the sticker in the glove box, one of these glove boxes, yes. In here it's a factory posi-traction, G80 posi-traction, and 308 gear. It's got the accessory mats in the floor, which makes it super nice. If I can show you, just as clean back there. Your factory jack. It's a very nice truck. This is my personal truck. There's not a rip, a tear, a split, or anything in the upholstery. It's vinyl upholstery. I keep it dressed out. A lot of people think it's leather, but it's not. It's vinyl on the inside, which I really like, because if you do ever spill anything or anything like that, you just wipe it off. I've had the truck for a little over a year now. It is clean everywhere you look. Let's see if I can hood latch. Also a fresh oil change. I forgot to mention that. Something simple, but still. 5.3 6L80 transmission. A lot of maintenance recently done on it, just because I knew that I was going to part with the truck, and I wanted to know whoever got it was going to get a truck that needed absolutely nothing but a driver. Brand new interstate battery, like I mentioned that before. Factory chrome bumper, fog lights. It is an exceptional truck. A lot of people ask me that have purchased my trucks before, does it look as good in the pictures as it does in person? And I tell them, it looks better in person than it does in the pictures. And if you come to see this truck or purchase this truck and it's not what you want, if it's not up to your standards, I don't know what you are looking for. That's a fact. Let's see if I can dig the keys out of my pocket somewhere. Here we go. All right, let's see. There's a stereo. Make sure that the Bluetooth doesn't
cap your closing costs.
There we go. Let's see. Has 80,676 miles on it. Towing package, cruise control. Runs, purrs like a kitten. No ticking, no knocking, no weird noises. It's got 80,000 miles on it, so it's exactly what you expect, what I call a low mile vehicle to be like. Everything works. AC is ice cold. Heat works perfectly. It drives good. It steers good. It goes down the highway good. It's everything that you should expect from something with 80,000 miles on it. And I mean, in my personal opinion, the paint And the actual cosmetics of the truck are far better than an 80,000 mile truck. I certainly appreciate everybody looking. I'll have contact information in the comments along with a link to additional pictures that you can see of the truck. Whoever ends up with it will have a very, very nice pickup truck, and it should give them years of good service. Thank you guys again for looking. Always welcome to like and subscribe to my channel. I sell a vehicle from time to time. Dash, just so you know, dash is all perfect, obviously. No cracks, anything like that. Scuffs, weirdness, anything. She's clean. Exceptionally clean. State inspection. Just had that done. Brakes. I checked the brakes myself before I brought it to get inspected. And they're at an absolute minimum. They're 50%. In my personal opinion, they're probably 60, 75% on the brakes. Got new wiper blades on it. Anyway, thank you guys for looking. If somebody's looking for a super nice truck, you found it. Also, one last thing is, now that I look at the truck, I leveled the truck. Okay, and what I mean by leveled is I lowered the truck in the rear. I think the rear end of these trucks sits a little too high. So I lowered the rear of the truck about 2 or 3 inches. So it may not be completely level, but it's pretty close to level. So I did that by using shackles in the back. So anyway, it still rides good, got the factory shocks on it, all that. It rides perfectly. Anyway, again, for like the 3rd time, thank you for looking. Thank you for checking it out. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, anything. Everyone have a good day.